Welcome to Inner Harmony India. Today, we'll explore a challenge that touches so many lives, workplace and academic pressure, and how it silently affects our mental health. If you've been feeling tired, anxious, or overwhelmed lately, you're not alone. If you find value in this journey of emotional healing, remember to subscribe to Inner Harmony India for more mindful living and holistic well-being content. In today's fast-paced world, expectations and deadlines often pile up faster than we can process them. Students chase grades, professionals chase targets, and somewhere in between, we lose touch with ourselves. This constant pressure doesn't just exhaust the mind, it slowly drains our joy, creativity, and peace. When the mind stays in survival mode for too long, stress becomes a habit. We start waking up tired, carrying invisible worries, feeling guilty for resting, thinking we must do more, achieve more, become more. But peace doesn't come from doing more. It begins when we pause and simply breathe. Here are 3 mindful practices to help you overcome mental health strain caused by workplace or academic pressure. 1. Breathe consciously. Take a few slow, deep breaths before you start your work or study sessions. This simple act resets your nervous system and brings clarity. 2. Acknowledge your emotions. Instead of fighting your stress or pretending to be fine, take a moment to say, "Yes, I feel overwhelmed right now, and that's okay." Acceptance is the first step toward healing. 3. Create mindful pauses. Every few hours, close your eyes for a minute. Stretch. Feel your body. These mini breaks prevent burnout and bring you back to the present moment. Remember, your worth is not measured by grades, appraisals, or achievements. You are already enough, just as you are. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you find even a moment of peace, share it with someone who might need it today. For more healing tools and mindful living content, visit innerharmony.co.in and don't forget to subscribe to @InnerHarmonyIndia. Because true success begins with inner peace.